Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Here is a recipe for a tasty and easy Palada Payasam made in an instant pot. Traditionally, Palada Payasam is one of the most laborious desserts made at home. The milk for the payasam is simmered for hours, stirring continuously. But don't worry, with the instant pot, this is one of the easiest and most tasty payasam you can make at home. Here is how to do it. I'm going to be making the payasam with a liter of milk today. Full fat milk is preferred for making this recipe. The butterfat in the milk makes the payasam rich and creamy, so do not use skimmed milk for making this recipe. Add the fresh milk to the instant pot. Add in about half a cup of water to the pot. The water will help the milk from scorching at the bottom while cooking. Add in about 1/3 cup of sugar to the pot at this stage. Using a metal spoon, mix everything well. Do not use a wooden spoon while making milk-based dishes. The residual food particles that might remain in the wooden spoon may curdle the milk while cooking. So always use a metal spatula while making milk-based dishes. After mixing well, close the instant pot with the lid. Lock the lid into place and set the pressure release knob to sealing position. Select and press the steam function on the instant pot. Set the timer for 40 minutes. While the milk is cooking, we will get the palada ready. Any ready-made brands available in the market will work for this recipe. It will be available in the form of cooked and dried rice bits. Add about 1/3 cup of palada to a bowl. Wash the palada in water once. After washing, soak the palada in the water for about 30 minutes. Regular room temperature water will do. Some people use hot water to soak, but I prefer to soak the palada in regular room temperature water as they turn out nice, soft and springy when cooked. After 30 minutes, our palada should be nicely soaked. It should have slightly increased in volume due to the absorption of water. Drain the water from the palada and set aside. Once the set 40 minutes on the instant pot is over, let the pressure in the instant pot settle on its own. If you try to release the pressure manually, the milk will spew out, creating a mess. So do not release the pressure while making any kind of milk-based dishes. Once the pressure settles, turn the release knob from sealing to venting position. Open the lid and mix well. Now add in our soaked and drained palada. Add a pinch of salt. Mix once. After mixing, close the instant pot with the lid. Lock the lid into place and set the pressure release knob to sealing position. Select and press the steam function again on the instant pot. This time, set the timer for 2 minutes. Once the set time is over, let the pressure in the instant pot settle on its own. Open the lid. Remove the pot and set it on a table. When it's still hot, add in a small can of condensed milk. Add the condensed milk when making the payasam for special occasions, parties, etc. After adding the condensed milk, mix well. No need to cook the condensed milk. The payasam will thicken as it cools. Now let's fry some cashews for the payasam. Add about half a teaspoon of ghee and about 10 cashews that have been broken. The palada is usually served cold, so when refrigerated, the ghee will solidify and the solid ghee does not give a good mouthfeel when eaten. It turns out greasy, so add very little ghee for frying the cashews. Fry the cashews on a low flame till golden. Once golden, remove the cashews from the stove and add it to our payasam. Now, Refrigerate the payasam for at least 6 hours. Overnight is preferred. After refrigeration, the payasam will be very creamy. Serve super chilled. This is one of our favorite recipes at home and hope you will try it at yours too. That's all folks. Our super delicious payasam is ready. One of the finest desserts to serve your guests, and they will definitely come for second servings. Hope you liked this recipe today. If you do try this recipe at home, please do not forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.